Let us chant Omkar 3 times, then we shall begin. Om. 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 Sai Ram. Okay, so Faiza Khan has to give byword, and next number will be फैजा के बाद किसका है? फैजा के बाद है कनक गुर्जर, कनिष्का चौहान। ठीक है, कनक गुर्जर, साईराम कनक।
Sairam sir.
कनक, start your presentation, कनक।
Yes sir.
Start your presentation.
Okay sir. Sir, Deshna is presenting my presentation.
Okay, no problem.
Sairam sir.
Sairam.
Sairam sir.
Sairam. हाँ कनक स्टार्ट करो।
Yes sir. Om Shri Sairam. I'm Kanu Gurjar. My topic is meaning and causes of environmental pollution.
Okay, go ahead.
First, we will see what is environment. All the physical surroundings on the earth are called environment. The environment includes everything living and non-living, which includes natural and man-made. It is widely recognized that the quality of the environment is fast deteriorating, particularly due to industrial activity. This is a common sight around major cities like Kanpur, Jaipur, Delhi, Panipat, Kolkata, and others in various states of our country. Their emissions are seriously affecting the health of the people. Now we will see what is pollution. The injection of harmful substances into the environment is in fact largely the result of industrial pollution. Pollution changes the physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of air, land, and water. Pollution harms human life and the life of other species. Pollution exists because the environment can absorb only a limited amount of pollutants and waste. Some hazardous waste or toxic products or chemicals are termed as hazardous pollutants because they have toxic characteristics that the environment cannot assimilate.
Pollution is absorb, not observe, na? Yes. Environment can absorb only a limited amount of pollution. Okay, go ahead.
Pollution. Now we will see what is causes of pollution. Okay. It must be recognized that all sector of society, that is industry, government, agriculture, mining, energy, transportation, construction, and consumers generate waste. Waste contains pollutants which are the material of chemical that have been discarded during the process of production or consumption. Pollution is caused by these pollutants which are released into the environment beyond its assimilation capacity. Among the various sources of pollution, industries are major generator of waste in the term of both its quantity and the toxicity.
Okay.
Business activities such as production, distribution, transport, storage, consumption of goods, and the services are known to be the most critical source of environmental pollution problems. Many business enterprises have been responsible for causing air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Now, we will see air pollution. Air pollution is the result of
Okay, go ahead.
a combination of factors which lowers the air quality. It is mainly due to the carbon monoxide emitted by automobiles, which contributes to air pollution. Similarly, smoke and other chemicals from manufacturing plants pollute the air. Resultant air pollution has created a hole in the ozone layer, leading to dangerous warming of the earth.
Okay.
Water pollution is because of chemical and waste dumping. For years, business enterprises have been dumping waste into rivers, streams, and lakes with little regard for the consequences. Water pollution has led to the death of several animals and posed a serious threat of human life. Land pollution, dumping of toxic waste on land causes land pollution. This damages the quality of land, making it unfit for agriculture or plantation. Restoring the quality of the land that has already been damaged is a big problem. Last, noise pollution. Noise caused by the running of factories and vehicles is not merely a source of annoyance, but it also a serious health hazard. Noise pollution can be responsible for many diseases like loss of hearing, a malfunctioning of the heart, and the mental disorders.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now come back in the meet. Okay, so good Kanak, open a video Kanak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Kanak, your topic was pollution control.
Meaning and causes of environmental.
So one term is very popular nowadays, that is, you have to give the full form, AQI.
Yes, sir.
One term is very popular nowadays regarding environment pollution, that is called AQI. What is the full form of AQI?
EQI.
Nowadays it is very much used also. On the Diwali occasion also.
Sir, air quality index.
Air quality index, right answer. Here it's air quality index. Okay. Second, when America dropped atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and after many years, people are suffering from many diseases. Which type of pollution it created at that time?
Sir, sir, of course. Sir, in the land, sir, the air pollution.
Okay. Now, what is the what are the two main steps business has to take to control the pollution?
Sir, they should process the waste before dumping it into the river carefully, and they should pay attention in the environment. They should plant trees and they should take care of the rivers.
Okay. Now, what is the meaning of discretionary responsibility of business?
Sir, it means in that responsibility, we have to. There is businessman donate funds for the welfare of the society with his because of his moral values.
Okay. Now, Why should business accept responsibility towards society?
Sir, because as a business or as a businessman, it is very important uh, for a businessman to portray himself or his company in front of public as a public image, so that the public can recognize it as a good company and for social power.
Okay. Which are the two important emerging modes of business?
Which are sir, e-business and e-commerce.
That is the same thing. Okay. Now, next question is that what is the risk involved in case of online shopping or e-business?
Sir, can you please repeat?
Types of risk involved in online shopping or e-business.
The first is transaction risk, second is data storage risk, and third is privacy risk.
Okay. Why retained earnings are called as flowing back of profits?
Sir, because in retained earnings, the undistributed profit is remain by paying all the dividends and the taxes to for the expansion and the growth of the for the growth of the company.
In case of debentures, we say debentures create charge. What is the meaning of charge?
Sir, they sir interest. Sir, they lend the money and in the return they want the interest.
Sorry. What are the zero coupon bonds or deep discount bonds?
Sir, it is a debt security. Sir, it is a debt security, and it does not pay any interest, but instead trade at a deep discount.
Can you clarify this meaning of this?
Yes, sir.
This meaning is not clear. What you said?
Sir, it is a security, debt security.
वो तो डिवेंचर भी होता है डेप्ट सिक्योरिटी.
Sir, but it does not pay any interest.
It does not pay any interest.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in case of public deposits, why should deposit money with the companies, not to the bank? Why should public deposit money with the companies, not to the bank?
Sir, because when a company borrows funds from public, they well, I don't know.
Okay. What is the maximum period of public deposits?
The maximum period of public deposit, medium term 1 to 3 years.
Okay, good. Now, in case of equity shares, why it is said that it is the most risky investment for investor?
Because in equity shares, the owners are the provider of the money, and in the case of loss, they have to face the loss, and in the case of profit, they will be the beneficial, but sometimes they have to bear the loss. There is no fixed capital in the equity shares.
Okay, good, Kanak. So 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4.5, 5, 6, 7.5 questions you answer correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5. Okay. Okay, Kanak, thank you. कनक के बाद किसका नंबर है? कनक के बाद है फैजा फैजा है क्या? फैजा इधर? फैजा नहीं है।
Yes, sir.
हाँ फैजा, रेडी फॉर वाइवा?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो व्हाट इज डीप डिस्काउंट बॉन्ड? फैजा? ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट इन केस ऑफ रिटेन्ड अर्निंग्स? अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट क्या होती है फैजा? फैजा ओपन योर वीडियो।
Sir, 1 minute.
हाँ, हाँ, क्या हो गया? ओके,
Yes, sir.
नहीं खुला वीडियो आपका, पर बंद हो गया।
बंद हो गया?
हाँ,
सर मेरा तो ओपन है वीडियो।
हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा दिख रही है नीचे, अब फिर बंद हुआ देखो। फैजा खान,
सर
नहीं नहीं दिख रहा आपको? को दिख रहा है क्या बच्चों को? फैजा का वीडियो खुला हुआ दिख रहा है क्या आपको? सैराम?
नो सर, नो
नो
सर।
सर।
हाँ अभी खुला है।
सर मेरे को तो मेरा पूरा
सभी
पूरा
खुला।
खुला हुआ दिख रहा है।
ओके, सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट? फिर बंद हो गया फैजा, फिर खुल गया, फिर बंद हो गया।
सर मेरे
सभी
साइड से तो
बंद
पूरा
है।
नहीं 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 बंद है, इधर तो किसी को नहीं दिख रहा
सर
है।
नेटवर्क की वजह से हो रहा है।
हाँ नेटवर्क की वजह से हो रहा है। ठीक है, चलो फैजा के बाद, कनक के बाद किसका नंबर है? पहले इसका वो करते हैं प्रेजेंटेशन। कनिष्का चौहान, कनिष्का है क्या?
सर अब दिख रहा है क्या
Yes, sir.
वीडियो?
नहीं दिख रहा बेटा। कनिष्का यू स्टार्ट। आप ही खुद ही कर रहे हो कनिष्का?
Yes, sir.
हाँ प्रेजेंट करो आपका टॉपिक।
Sir, is it visible?
हाँ थोड़ा स्क्रीन आया है लेकिन पूरा नहीं आ रहा है। कनिष्का चौहान आ रहा है, उसके बाद कुछ आइकन्स आ रहे हैं। हम वापस आ गए अब मीटिंग में। किसी और को भेज दो, नहीं हो रहा था आपका। हाँ भी आ रहा है, कनिष्का इज प्रेजेंटिंग। वापस मीटिंग में आ गया कनिष्का। ओके, कनिष्का बाहर चली गई थी सर।
सर मैं ग्रुप पे सेंड कर देती हूँ।
हाँ ग्रुप पर सेंड करो, किसी को बोल दो प्रेजेंट कर देगा। कौन कर रहा है प्रेजेंट? सैराम, कनिष्का बहुत टाइम लग रहा है बेटा। इतना टाइम नहीं लगा फिर हो ही नहीं पाएगा। किसी को बोला है कि कनिष्का ने? तो सागर आर यू रेडी? तो सागर
Yes, sir.
आपका तैयार है प्रेजेंटेशन?
Yes, sir. आप सर जब बोलो सर तब हाजिर।
पहले ही आप करिएगा, सागर आप करो, फिर इसके बाद में करिएगा।
जी सर। सर मैं ओरल प्रेजेंटेशन दूंगा।
अच्छा ठीक है।
Omshi Sayam, my topic is debentures. Now, first of all, we have to understand what
सागर
are
अपना
debentures.
वीडियो, सागर अपना वीडियो ओपन करो।
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. Open नहीं हो रहा।
हाँ कोई।
Control. Is it visible?
ओके करो, चलो आया का टाइम ओपन करो।
सर 2 मिनट से मैं ज्वाइन करता हूँ सर।
हाँ जी
सर
हाँ
मेरा
जी।
वाइवा ले लीजिए।
हाँ अरे क्या करें, फाइजा का वाया कि इसका कनिष्का का प्रेजेंटेशन दिखाया था। भैया वेट करो थोड़ी देर, अभी तो ओपन हो गया तुम्हारा।
हो गया
अभी तो ओपन हुआ था भैया, भी फिर बंद हो गया।
सर, अब देखिए। देख लो।
हाँ दिख रही है, दिख रही है, अभी दिख रही है। अब बंद हो गया।
सर मैं वीडियो ओपन नहीं हो रहा, सर लिख के आ रहा है योर वीडियो कैन नॉट बी ओपन ड्यू टू साइज ऑफ कॉल।
ओके चलो बोलिए, जल्दी बोलिए सब।
सर मैं बोल देता हूँ सर।
हम्म,
Now, first of all, we have to understand what is debenture. So, in simple terms, debenture is a type of bond or other debt instrument that is unsecured by collateral. Since debentures have no collateral backing, debentures must rely on the creditworthiness and reputation of the issuer for support. Both corporations and governments frequently issue debentures to raise capital or funds. Uh, now I will like to give example of debenture. It is an interest-bearing bond issued by a power company. It is an example of a debenture. Now, types of debenture. There are four types of debenture: secured and unsecured, registered and bearer, convertible and non-convertible, first and second.
ओके हो गया।
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now be ready for Viva.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is an equity share?
Sir, what?
Equity share. What is an equity share?
Equity share. Equity share. Equity shares are long-term financing sources
Okay.
for any
Now,
company.
what are the preferential rights enjoyed by preference shareholders?
Sir, what is?
What are the preferential rights enjoyed by preference shareholders?
What are the preferential rights enjoyed by the?
Preference shareholders. What is the meaning of redeemable debentures? Redeemable debentures.
सर व्हाट्स आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही, सही कहा बोल दीजिए.
What is the meaning of redeemable debentures?
What is the meaning of redeemable debentures?
Okay.
What is the meaning of redeemable debentures? What is the meaning of redeemable debentures? Sir, a redeemable debenture is a written agreement about a loan that must be repaid by a set time.
That is the definition of debenture.
After a particular.
ऑन करा लीजिए.
Okay.
ऑन नहीं
Now,
हो रहा शिवा, मैं तो वही कर रहा हूँ इतनी देर से.
in a commercial bank,
सर दिख रहा है अभी?
नहीं दिख रहा कोई दूसरा वीडियो. What is the limitation of a commercial bank's loan?
What is the limitation?
Of loan taken from commercial banks?
सर इंटरेस्ट ज्यादा लगता है सर. इंटरेस्ट इज हाई.
Okay. In case of public deposits,
इन केस
what
ऑफ.
are the limitations? What are the two limitations in case of public deposits?
सर एक और बार बोल दीजिए. हेलो.
What are the two limitations of public deposits?
सर दे डोंट नो सर पब्लिक इन्वेस्ट करेगी कि भी नहीं.
Okay. Now, in case of trade credit, okay. In case of trade credit,
इन केस ऑफ.
trade credit. Have you heard about trade credit? What is trade credit?
ट्रेड क्रेडिट.
Hmm.
यस सर. इन केस ऑफ ट्रेड क्रेडिट.
What is the meaning of trade credit?
ओके. What is the meaning of trade credit? So credit given by one trader to another.
Okay. So, what is the difference between e-commerce and e-business?
सर ई कॉमर्स एंड ई बिजनेस, सर ई कॉमर्स में सर ये होता है कि मतलब सब सामान की लेन देन करते हैं इंटरनेट के थ्रू, और ई बिजनेस कस्टमर सर मतलब प्रोवाइडर से कस्टमर के थ्रू जाता है ई बिजनेस में। सर जैसे अमेजोन एक ई बिजनेस है।
सर वीडियो ऑन करा लीजिए इसकी।
तो सागर वीडियो ऑन कर लो अपना बेटा।
सर नहीं हुआ सर, मैं बहुत देर से ट्राई कर रहा हूँ सर, आप ही देख लीजिए सर।
गूगल माइक तो ऑन है फिर?
माइक तो ऑन है मेरा।
गूगल वाला
लीव करके ज्वाइन कर ले।
लीव करके ज्वाइन कर लो
सर
सागर।
एक मिनट सर, मैं मोबाइल से ज्वाइन करता हूँ सर, मैं लैपटॉप
हाँ,
गूगल पहले बंद
मोबाइल
कर।
से। भाई मैं बंद है।
ठीक है। अभी दिख रहा है सागर?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of default on payment?
What is the meaning of default phone payment? Default, sir, sir, सर वो पेबल जो पहले से पेड हो, यानी कि मतलब सेलर क्लेम्स इट्स पेड, मतलब जो सेलर है वो मान लेता है कि मतलब वो पेड है, ऐसा सर। पर जो बायर है उसको पता नहीं चलता कि ये अमाउंट पेड है।
अच्छा, okay. What is the meaning of emerging mode of business?
Emerging modes, sir, the new businesses which grow up and like the development in business sector.
Okay. What is C2C commerce?
Consumer to consumer commerce.
Any one example?
सर हम C2C commerce में OLX.
Okay. Now, what are the mention any two responsibilities of business towards investors?
सर गुड प्राइस एंड प्रोडक्ट का ड्यूरेबिलिटी एंड एक्सेट्रा।
वो तो कस्टमर के लिए है। Okay. Now,
Disclosure of all terms and conditions.
what is the ethical responsibility?
Ethical responsibility. One minute, sir. Ethical responsibility. सर नहीं पता।
Okay. Why should business not accept social responsibility? Any two reasons?
तो उससे
Why
उनका
क्यों
उससे
नहीं
उनका
accept
घाटा।
सही राम,
यस सर।
क्यों नहीं एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी?
तो उससे उनका घाटा होता है सर कभी कभार सर, मतलब प्रॉफिट तो मिलता नहीं है सर, पब्लिक लैक ऑफ पब्लिक फेथ हो जाता है सर, और लैक ऑफ स्किल्स भी हो जाता है।
Okay. Thank you, Kusagri. So you answered one, two, 2.5, 3.5, 4, 5 questions correctly. Okay. Now thank you, Kusagri. आप कुसागर के बाद भेजा, पहले अपना तैयार हो, भेजा आप वाइवा के लिए। Okay. So what are the what I said, what is the meaning of opportunity cost? भेजा, ओपन करो अपना वीडियो, ओपन करो भेजा। अभी पर चला गया, हाँ अभी आ गया। अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट
सर
फिर चला गया बाजार पर। मैंने
सर
नेटवर्क
मेरे
ठीक,
पास फोन है,
पहले
मेरा
नेटवर्क ठीक
कैमरा।
कर लिया अपना, जब तक मैं दूसरे का रहता हूँ। अभी कनिष्का चौहान, कनिष्का रेडी है प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए?
यस सर।
हाँ कनिष्का अपना प्रेजेंटेशन करो।
My topic is trade credit.
ओके।
Trade credit refers to the credit provided by one firm to the other or to the customer for purchase of goods and services.
ओके।
It is a source of short-term finance which facilitates the customers to buy goods and services without immediate payments. Features of trade credit. There are no formal acknowledgements of debts. Second, it's an integral arrangement between the buyer and the seller. It's spontaneous source of financing and it's a short-term finance. Then next slide. Merits of trade credit. Increased sales. A customer will buy more supplies if they don't have to pay money immediately. Second, customers' loyalty. The extension of credit terms tells buyers and the sellers consider them trustworthy. Competitive advantage. The sellers who is able to offer trade credit to buyers has an advantage over his competitors.
Okay.
Demerits. Negative effect on cash flow. Most immediate effect of trade credit is that sellers do not receive immediate cash.
What is the meaning of cash flow? Kanishka,
Yes, sir. So
what is the meaning of cash flow?
it means if we are buying something from seller, then and we are not giving him money at the same time, so it's disturbing the cash flow.
Okay, go ahead.
Then must investigate the credit worthiness of the customer. Just like bank does, we have also to check if the customer can repay it or not.
Okay.
Monitoring accounts receivable. Extending credit creates more outstanding accounts. That means, and someone needs to monitor these to make sure they pay back. And the last one is possibility of bad debt. The extension of trade credit will lead to bad debts.
What is the meaning of bad debts? How to
So
define that?
so that means that the customer is not able to pay back to the seller.
Okay, come back to the meeting and open a video. Okay, classify the trade credit on the basis of source, ownership, and period. Trade credit on the basis of source, period, and ownership.
I can't get the question properly.
Classify the trade credit on the basis of source of generation, ownership, and period. Okay. Now, in case of trade credit and commercial banks loan from commercial bank, which is costlier? Trade credit is costlier or loan from commercial bank is costlier?
So I think trade credit is costlier.
Why? Because we don't have to pay any interest on that. Okay. What are the debentures?
Debentures are the most important debt source of financing the long-term finance.
वो तो लॉन्ग टर्म सोर्स एग्जैक्ट डेफिनेशन डिवेंचर की क्या है आपको पता है डिवेंचर क्या होते हैं व्हाट आर द डिवेंचर्स ओके व्हाट आर प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स और इसका क्या हुआ पढ़ा नहीं पूरा बिल्कुल हाँ
अभी हाँ टाइम नहीं मिला अच्छे से रिवाइज करने का तो
okay. What do you know about the institutional finance? पता नहीं कुछ पूरा चैप्टर ही नहीं पढ़ा गया इसी चैप्टर से तो प्रेजेंटेशन था तुम्हारा फिर भी नहीं पढ़ा ओके नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ई बिजनेस
ऑनलाइन बिजनेस
e-business and online business is a part online shopping is a part of e-business it's not e-business itself but online shopping is a part of e-business ठीक है now what is the meaning of transaction risk
sometimes like transaction risk.
okay what is what is digital cash है ना मोड ऑफ पेमेंट में डिजिटल कैश क्या होता है
ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शंस
नहीं ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन में एक मोड है पेमेंट पे डिजिटल कैश क्या होता है
in which we are able to transfer cash digitally.
okay what is the meaning of social responsibility of business
It means
Meaning-
business. हाँ.
पर इसका कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ा के तुमने तीन ही चैप्टर तो पढ़ने थे और दिवाली की ब्रेक भी पड़ गया इतना 6 दिन की छुट्टियां पड़ गई फिर भी ओके एनी टू रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज ऑफ बिजनेस टुवर्ड्स एम्प्लॉइज any two responsibilities of business towards employees employees के लिए क्या क्या रिस्पांसिबिलिटी है बिजनेस
So taking good care of them in terms of salary and promotion.
okay now what is the meaning of ethical responsibility okay नहीं पता what are the main reasons of earth soil pollution or land pollution
So the waste that is deposited on land and also fertilizers that farmers use in excessive quantities.
what should business do any two steps to protect the environment
What should business do?
on any two steps to be taken by business to protect the environment ओके कनिष्का थैंक यू कनिष्का के बाद किसका नंबर है कनक कनिष्का खुशी गुप्ता ओके खुशी खुशी है क्या मीटिंग में
No, sir.
खुशी नहीं है दुखी है ओके मुस्कान भार्गव,
Yes, sir.
मुस्कान रेडी है क्या?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, गिव अ प्रेजेंटेशन मुस्कान।
So my screen is visible.
हाँ दिख रही है, आगे चलो। ये थोड़ा बड़ी करो, छोटी दिख रही है। हाँ अभी आई, ठीक है, सीधा करो इसे। हाँ आप सही है।
Yeah.
ओके,
Om Shri Sai Ram. My topic is preference shares.
ओके,
Preference shares are those which have preferential right to the payment of dividend during the lifetime of the company and a preferential right to the return of capital when the company is wound up. Cumulative and non-cumulative preference shares. Cumulative holders of cumulative preference shares are entitled to recover the areas of preference dividend before any dividend is paid on equity shares. Then non-cumulative, in the case of non-cumulative share errors of dividend do not accumulate and hence if dividend is to be paid to equity shareholders in any year, dividend at a fixed rate for only 1 year will have to be paid to preference shareholder before equity dividend is paid. Then participating and non-participating preference shares. Participating preference shares are not only entitled to only fixed rate of dividend but have the right to receive any surplus profit which remains after dividend has been paid at a certain rate of equity shareholders. Non-participating preference shareholders are entitled to only fixed rate of dividend. Then convertible and non-convertible. Convertible holders, convertible holders get the right to get shares converted equity shares according to the non-convertible holders of non-convertible preference shares do not enjoy the right.
ओके,
Redeemable and non-redeemable. Redeemable preference shares are those preference shares whose amount can be returned by the company to holder the above fulfillment let down in 80 of the Companies Act. Non-redeemable, the amount of non-redeemable preference shares can be returned only company is bond up.
ओके,
Then benefits help in rising long-term capital for company. Second, has on profit and proceeds from the sale of the company asset at the time of bankruptcy. And third, have fixed rate of dividend for fixed number of years, then guaranteed rate of return. Then drawbacks, not traded in market like to tail investor. Third, not advisable to investors from the point of view of the company as shares do not. Fourth, cost of rising preference shares capital is higher. Thank you.
ओके, थैंक यू मुस्कान, कम बैक टू द मीटिंग। मुस्कान ओपन है वीडियो। ओके, सो मुस्कान रेडी फॉर क्वेश्चंस?
Yes, sir.
हाँ माइक थोड़ा सेट करो, आपकी आवाज कम आ रही है, तो माइक सेट करो. ओके. So what is the meaning of convertible preference shares?
Convertible. Sir, जो आसा means sir, convertible जो
Okay. What are debentures?
debentures, sir, debentures have they debentures are those are so they are the capital debt, and they have to pay. They get they get capital at the fixed time, and they have to pay interest for every 6 months, and or every 1 year, and they have long term loan.
What is the meaning of secured debentures?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. What is trade credit?
The amount which have to a firm have to pay to the to the consumers by transfer. They have to pay the money
Okay.
they have to
What are
pay the
it?
money for transactions.
What are retained earnings?
Retained earnings.
Retained earnings.
So retained earnings are help in saving the amount to retain earning and they do not pay the amount to shareholders.
Okay. Now, on the basis of ownership, classify public deposits. What is B2B commerce?
So
B2B commerce.
business to consumer transaction, मतलब buying and selling करना. Business to
Okay.
business buying
Which
and
type
selling.
of risk is involved in e-business?
Business. So transaction risk
Okay.
or privacy risk
Hmm.
and
Okay. Now,
so data storage risk.
data storage and transmission risk. Okay. What is virus? Full form of virus.
Full form. So virus the so जो जिसकी वजह से हम कुछ करना
बीमार हो
चाहते हैं, हाँ जैसे कि नहीं जैसे कोई मोबाइल में कुछ करना है तो वो मतलब कुछ हो नहीं पाता उसकी वजह से मतलब
जैसे कोरोना वायरस है ना?
अरे नहीं नहीं सर
कोरोना नहीं. ओके.
जो
ओके.
मोबाइल में वो वायरस आता है ना वो
What are
स्टोरेज
the
में स्टोरेज
नहीं हो पाता. Two responsibilities of business towards customers.
so they are aware them about new product and sell them good quality of product.
Products. Okay. Now, any two regions in favor of social responsibility.
In favor.
मुस्कान पढ़ा नहीं है, बड़ा सिंपल सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछे तो आंसर नहीं कर रही है. ओके. एनी टू रीजन्स ऑफ एयर पोल्यूशन.
सर मेंटेनेंस ऑफ सोसाइटी करना चाहिए.
और सर
Any two reasons of air pollution?
लैंड पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन।
Okay. Last question है, what is the difference between e-commerce and e-business?
सर e-commerce refers to the buying and selling through internet, and e-business refers to the buying and selling through internet, and they produce and they help in production.
Okay, thank you, Muskan. Okay, Muskan has answered very less number of answers correctly. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and a half, 4. Okay. अभी कितना टाइम हुआ? मुस्कान के बाद पूर्वी का नंबर है। पूर्वी कल करेंगे, अभी टाइम हो गया।
यस सर।
ठीक है, 20 हो गया, 10 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा हो गए, तो अब कल करेंगे। कल 2 क्लास है, तो दोनों में कल 2 क्लास है मेरी, एक क्लास है?
सर एक ही है।
एक ही है तो, लेकिन हमको कल खत्म करना कैसे भी, क्योंकि परसों तो फिर आपका दूसरा सब्जेक्ट चालू हो जाएगा। सो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 स्टूडेंट्स आर लेफ्ट। अभी कल करना पड़ेगा जैसे भी होगा, ठीक है? ओके साईराम, सो आई एम स्टॉपिंग recording. You can leave. Let us have Shanti part before that. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sairam.
Sairam sir, thank you sir.